Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making truffles. So these biscuits that I have here are crackers, yeah, the mini ones. We went to the supermarket one day. The children were just anxious of getting it, and when we got it, they didn't like it anymore. They were just throwing it to the birds to eat. So I decided to use this particular one to bake these truffles. Yeah, I'll be using 500 ml of it, yeah, to prepare these truffles, although I'll be making it in two ways. So the first thing you have to do is to measure the biscuits, uh, pour them into a ziploc bag, just like this. And like this, it will be very easy. Don't pour it much. I didn't pour all of the 500 ml. I'll just be grinding them little by little, and we have to do it until it is soft like this. You can actually use your blender to do this, but what's the joy or what's the fun in baking if you don't put some effort? You know what I mean? So I have grinded 1000 ml. You can use this biscuit, yeah, the sweet one like this. It's just because I didn't want those crackers to waste. That is why I'm using it. So you can use it and use cooking cream. You can use cooking cream here. So I'm using 125 gram of it. I'll just open it and pour it in the biscuit. Remember, this cooking cream is for 500 ml of biscuit. Yes, if you use more than this, it's not gonna be fine, so you have to use the exact measurement. And in total I'll be using 125 grams of chocolate, so you'll be adding them little by little. First you add them in your mixture and mix it very well, and later we'll be using the remaining chocolate for the molding. So really now we can see that everything have come together. It is well mixed. Yes, this is how you have to do it. And this is the time you are using the remaining chocolate to mold the biscuit. You can actually use your spoon and be molding them if you want, but I think it's very easy when you're using your clean hands. Yeah, just mold it like this. Yeah, within your palm, you roll it very well, and the next you roll it on your chocolate to keep your eye dry, because if it is wet then the rolling will not be smooth again. You can actually touch the chocolate and roll them on your hand. I am using Nesquik. You can actually use any chocolate powder of your choice to do this. Yeah, so this truffles works very well for us. If you have kids, you always looking for a way to keep their mouths busy in the house. The one you make is very well enjoyed at home. So truffles is just simple recipe of bringing some two ingredients together, which is cooking cream, biscuit, and chocolate, which is three ingredients, molding them, and that is it. They will really enjoy it. So this is what I will keep doing until everything is well molded. So now you have to make sure that the chocolate is well, you know, coated. On the biscuit, you have to coat them very well. If you coat them very well, you will see the color will become very beautiful. I'm doing this carefully because this is what makes it, beautiful. If you don't do it like this, it won't be bad, but you have to complete your work. You can see the color is changing once the is for some minutes or second. You see the color of the truffles are changing. This is how they're actually going to be. I've already done these ones and I'm putting them in a container. In this container, this is where it will be until it is finished. I'll just put them in there and put them in the fridge for 20 minutes or more. Yeah, it will just be there. All right, so here it is after 4 hours in the fridge. This is how they look, and I'll show you how the inside is. Like this, I'll bite it. You see that? Very, very yummy. So you can give them this with their favorite smoothie, zumo, or any other drink of their choice. I'm going to give them this with a smoothie, banana and apple smoothie. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell sign so that you receive notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye.